Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive blogging channel. So I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 with me, which is a great watch in the premium segment category, and this watch comes with a lot of features in there. And in this video we will see what are the steps or what are the things we need to do if our Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has been lost. This watch comes with a lot of features which makes this watch a really wonderful watch to use in our daily life. And if your watch is lost, and if you perform the steps which I am going to tell you in this video, not only will you find your watch, but also make sure the person who has taken it will not be able to use this watch anymore. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 comes with really wonderful features, and with the latest updates it is getting better day by day. And also this watch is a marvel to see. You can see how good this watch looks. This is a watch so valuable. Maybe some people died making this watch. That's why we should be keeping this watch always with us, and if it is stolen or lost, we should find it by these ways which I am going to tell you right here right now. So first of all, this watch comes with the Galaxy Wear app, which is the official app for the Samsung Galaxy 4 watch, and you need to just install this Galaxy Wear app first in order to use this Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So once you have installed this app, you have to connect this watch with the app, and definitely you will get a lot of options after you connect this watch. So you can see I have connected the watch already. So if you want to connect, you just need to click on add new device and scan the device and connect from there. So after you have connected your Galaxy Watch 4, you will get a lot of options, and if your watch is lost, you just need to look for Find My Watch in this app. So Find My Watch is the option we need to use if we want to find our watch. So if we go to Find My Watch, you will see that it will show you that Galaxy Watch 4 has been connected and the battery of your watch, and definitely you will be getting the option of playing a sound and vibrate to find the watch. So if you have lost your watch, or if you have kept the watch nearby somewhere, you can perform these steps. So if you click on start, you will be able to see that your watch will vibrate and also make some sound, so that you will be able to find your watch if it is nearby. So to stop this sound, you just need to click on stop, or you can also stop it from the watch itself. So this is the thing you need to do if you want to find your watch. Not only that, you will be also getting two options to make this watch really secure, and also to make sure that the person who have taken your watch will not be able to use this watch anymore. So you have to come to set security for that, and here you will get the option of lock watch and reset watch. So if you click on lock watch, you will see that your watch will stay locked until it's unlocked with the pin you set or connect to your phone using Bluetooth. So if I just click on this switch, you will see that I will be getting the option to set a pin, and this pin will be required if I want to unlock my watch in the case I have found it. Otherwise the watch will be locked forever. So let's give some pin here to check how this works. So I have given the pin, and you can see I am not able to use the watch anymore. So this is the way your watch will be locked, and if someone has taken the watch, they are gone, because they will not be able to use any bit of this watch. So if you want to again unlock, you just need to tap on the watch screen and enter the pin which you have given in this app. So after you given the pin, just click on the stick sign and the watch will be unlocked. So this is the first step you need to do if your watch has been lost. The second step which you can do is reset your watch. So resetting will definitely delete all data from your watch, and before deleting your data, make sure that you have taken the backup also. Yes, backup is also possible before resetting the data in this watch. So for this, you just need to click on backup data, and here you just need to click on the option to back up. So you can either turn on the auto backup, that means every now and then the backup will be taken to Samsung account, or you can manually backup also by clicking on backup your data. So backup data will help you to manually back up the data from the watch. So you can see you will be getting the option of the watch data which you want to back up, and you can just tick the apps and everything and every bit of the data which you want to back up and click on backup to get the data in the later time. So these are the things which you can definitely do, and later on you can also restore the data. So once you have taken backup, you can just delete the data in your watch so that the person who has taken the watch will not be able to use the data by any means. So definitely these are the things you can do if your watch has been lost, and definitely this will help you to get back your watch and secure your watch in case it has been lost completely. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you the things you can do if your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has been lost. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.